we are going to be creating a new Premiere Pro project about dragon boat racing. Having clicked the New Project button, so I'm going to name my new project Dragon Boat Racing. It's important that when you're creating a Premiere Pro project that you know exactly where you're saving your files to. I'm going to use the Browse button in the New Project window. I'm going to select my PR training folder, which I happen to have on my desktop. Now this will be my topmost level folder, and you'll see also associated with this topmost level folder I have a media folder, the information that I'm going to use and include inside the video. I'm going to click choose. So I now know where I'm going to save my project file. I'm going to leave all the other settings the same and click OK. This then opens up my Premiere Pro workspace. Before I start, I'm just going to make sure that I'm in the editing mode and that I have reset to saved layout. So everything is nice and tidy and ready to start. You will notice that my workspace is focused on the project panel, bottom left hand corner. The blue highlight indicates which panel is currently active. It's important to note, as this will activate various functions and features depending on which panel is selected. We need to link our Premiere Pro project to the media files, and I stress the word link. You never actually embed any files into a Premiere Pro project. They are always linked, keeping your Premiere Pro projects nice and small. To import media, you simply hover inside the area where it says Import Media to start, double click. You can then go and find where your media is. In this case, I'm going to go to my Premiere Pro training, and I'm going to select the folder called Media, and inside here I have a folder for my Dragon Boat Racing. I've named it Media so I know exactly what I'm choosing. Now I can actually select at the topmost level. I can import a complete folder using the organizational structure that I've used inside my operating system, also within the internal saving system within inside Premiere itself. I'm going to click Import.